Hi, my name's John. Welcome to it's not a Sunday night nightcap, it's possibly a Sunday night special. What I've done is I've put all the outtakes together from the last year. Now I must say from the onset that it does contain foul language, swearing, real swearing. So either don't watch it, or lock the kids away and watch it later. There's no language in that you're doing here after 9 o'clock on the television anyway. But I know there's a lot of children do watch my YouTube channel, and I don't want to be a bad influence to anybody. So right, that's the first video, is the outtakes. Then I'm going to upload another video. This video is another giveaway. My friend Robert Outtakes Welding has donated a complete MIG welding kit, a MIG 180 and all the bits and pieces. That's in the second video. It's free to enter, so you might as well enter the competition. You never know, somebody is definitely going to win it. Right, that's enough talking. Let's get on with it. Come on, focus, you twat. Thank you. That's the torch I use. It's a dropped fucking torch. Christ, John, man, you took too much off. You thick twat. Bastard. Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another fuck off turnip head. That's why you've got to be careful. That could have quite easily been fucked. If there's a 4-jaw chuck there, play with it. If I had to have any one work tooling, fucking idiot. Tonight's nightcap, I modify a flywheel off an American car, I think it's actually a Mustang car, to take a bigger wank off, man. Fucking stupid head. Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another fuck off turnip head. I've had quite a few people come on to us, fucking that'll be right now. Johnny, man. A Morse taper, centre, or an adapter, a drill, whatever you want to put in there. The taper on this drill, it's not a drill, it's a fucking lathe, man. You bastard! Hi, fucking idiot. I've had this MIG welder for 4 years now, and I want to show you a little bit wank that was. I hate that fucking dog. Little bastard thing. I've got a piece of brass bar in the 4-jaw chuck, you fucking arsehole. Just over 50.01, that's going to be idiot fucking belly. What you want to see. Bastard! Well, that was the end of that. Got the same fucking tool, mate. That's clearance for definite underneath there, so it's not 3mm. Means that's a 2mm slip cage, it'll never fucking walk, will it? Fucking hell, Richard, man. But I hear people saying John hasn't got a little lightweight lathe. Lightweight lathe? You fucking knob end. Already I can hear people saying, but John hasn't got a small lightweight lathe. He's got a nice big heavy weight Harrison lathe. This is true, but I have also used small lightweight lathes in my fuck off, John. I need to drill and tap those holes. They're already drilled, you fucking oof. What are you doing, John, you idiot? You've tightened that, man. Oh, John, man. Fucking idiot. One foot. Look at that bastard. Oh, come on, man. Installment I want to talk about and demonstrate. Fucked if I know. One thing with turning between. What a load of fucking shite that was. This one's actually got a 3 inch. Idiot. Christ, that's hard. Dear God, that's hard. I had an email last week from a YouTube. What the fuck's the word? I had an email from a YouTube company or a YouTube producer or a YouTube fucking whatever they are. It's hitting the fucking camera as well. Bastard. And that locks onto the various bits as you turn it backwards. The spring fucking off across there. John, what have you done, son? You bored the fucking world too big. It's already set up. If I could find that fucking spanner, I would be a happy man. Oh, bastard. Fuck me. The vase runs dead through the vase. I know you're fucking bellying. In tonight's nightcap, I do a little bump, but what's the matter with you, you fucking knob? Hi, my name's John. Welcome to part 3. Fucking idiot. Fucking clumsy twat. This is a conventional cutting tool, a tip tool. Bollocks. Oh, you bastard. Right then, Johnny. That's certainly one for the fucking whoring out here, isn't it? Fair rough, that bastard out the chuck. Right, so we're fucked that. We'll start again, and I'm machine the taper on. I've got another tap, but I've certainly fucked that. It's burning you. You alright? You got a neck burn? Oh. Let's say a little face, make sure it's you. You welded it?
Oh God, that hurt. Look at that.
Ah, yeah, no.
That hurt. It went straight through.
That's how you roll it. Please, I should have given you a proper coat, shouldn't I?
You should have.
Oh, mate. You will. Oh. I moved the cutter the wrong way, you dozy bastard. A little bit of oil, you clumsy bastard. Right, the basic ingredients, you want 120ml of plain strong flour, like bread making flour. It's not 120ml, you thick twat, it's 120 grams. We'll start again. The springs just decided to go into orbit now, and I've also lost a little pin that goes in there. Piss off, snivelling fucking what? Reasonably flat. It's not a buckle to shite.